Hi guys, welcome back to Easy Education to Learn English with teacher Shireen. Today I'm gonna teach you guys about essay writing. How a primary school student write an essay by using 5 idioms or similes. That's how you score A in your exam. So today's topic is about saving a drowning girl in a park. Like one day two girls were cycling at the park and then they heard someone shouting and then they saw this little girl drown in the park. So how's the process that they save this little girl? Let's get started. You gotta write it in 3 paragraphs for UPSR writing. So first paragraph, you can begin by introducing your characters, something like this. Alina and Alia are kind and helpful girls. One day they went cycling at the park. When they passed by a river, they heard someone shouting as loud as thunder. Guys, as loud as thunder is a very good and useful simile because you can use it when people are shouting, laughing, crying, scolding. A lot of situations you can use this simile, right? Then we moved on to the second paragraph. They saw a boy standing on the bridge. He was having ants in his pants because his sister was drowning in the river. Without a second thought, Alina jumped into the river to save the little girl. Luckily, she managed to save her in the nick of time. Alia and the boy helped to pull the little girl onto the river bank. Okay, as you can see, you use 3 good idioms here. The first, having ants in his pants. Why was he having ants in his pants? Because he was most probably the little girl's brother. So of course he would be so nervous, scared, and panic. Here you use having ants in his pants. And then, without a second thought, like you didn't think too much, you just want to take action at once, immediately, quickly. And lastly, you use in a nick of time. It means the timing was so right. Like if you save her 1 second later, she would be drowned, okay? The timing was so right, just in time. And the last paragraph, after that, Alina called their parents because both of them, their parents. When they arrived at the scene, they thanked Alina and Alia profusely for saving their daughter. They were on cloud 9 because they had done a good deed. Here, if you want to thank someone, it's common to say, oh, I thank you. But if you know how to use this adverb profusely, it means like, I thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Profusely. Okay? And then on cloud 9, I bet you guys know this and you learn it in school. But sometimes you can use maybe like on top of the world or in 7th heaven. They all mean the same. Okay? This is your ending. Only 3 paragraphs needed. And remember, write your essay in about 100 words to be able to score A. Okay guys, we finished our lesson for today. I hope you learned a lot from this video. I'll see you guys soon and wait for your good news in your exam.